Hi, this is Retreat Briefing in January 30 Tuesday, and the title of today's video is Bitcoin did show a 4% rebound. So let's check it out for more detail. This is our Goya dominance chart in this is year, month, day, January 28th, 3 p.m. to January 32 p.m. It's our chart. As you can see, it was like fluctuating up and down, and at this point it just went straight up, and this is where actual market's price also went up, and it started to decrease right now. So yeah, but it's still somewhere in 60, and this means that it's highly to go up. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. and this is a liquidation heat map for 24 hours, and you can see all those red things. That means that coins price were rising, and those green ones, long positions, liquidated much less than short positions. As you can see, it's like 76 million short positions were liquidated, and only half of them were liquidated long positions. The whole is $111 million were liquidated. And let's look at 4-hour liquidation heat map. You can see the Ethereum is green, and this means that Ethereum's price just went down, not like Bitcoin. The Ethereum is recently just moving, keep moving in opposite ways, so I thought it's very hard to predict, but it's not that much money is liquidated, so yeah, it might be a short-term thing, so you need to keep an eye on it about it. Bitcoin still rose a little bit in 4 hours. So this was the exact same thing that I used yesterday, because nothing changed that much after yesterday. So today we have an OKX jumpstart email like stacking and Zeta stacking events, and I'm not really sure about this affecting about the coin market, since the big rose was happened like 3 a.m. in Korea time. So I'm not sure about this effects, and I think this thing is the most important thing in this week's news. And I found another article about saying that FOMC announcement is very focused. People are focusing about it. So not about the ETF news, the Bitcoin ETF news, that when after the Bitcoin will have an ETF thing, the price went significantly low, but it's rising again, and it's reaching on February 1st. So I think it's quite an important news about the coin, so crypto market. So you gotta watch out for the news. And this is a Bitcoin liquidation heat map from yesterday. Yesterday in video I said that we wanted to go over this or touch this $43,000 yesterday, but it failed here and lost its power and was going down again, and quite rised again for a little bit, but it just stopped over right there. But it's today's liquidation heat map. As you can see, the price just went up and up and up all the way here. It's like 00 a.m., 0 a.m. and 30. Just went straight up where Goya dominance charts rise significantly at the same time. The price went up and just went through this 43,000 and almost reached the 44,000, but it failed. It's somewhere like $43.781,000, somewhere like that. And there are yellow lines near here. So we're not pretty sure where the market makers will go, but as you can see, there are big yellow lines under here, under the now's price. So yeah, it might go down, I think. So you better watch out for that if you're having a long position, futures market or something. And this is an RSI heat map for 4 hours. It's yesterday's and it's today's, and you can see that many coins just entered the overbought place, and I think this is a sign for the price was going down. I personally think, I'm not forcing you, or I'm not assuring you that the price will go down, but I think there's a high possibility for the Bitcoin to go down for a little bit. But yeah, I'm not sure about that. So let's see the chart, our Goya premium chart. And this is a Goya premium chart that I'm using to predict. As you can see, there's a dominance chart here. It started to fall, and we got a score chart here, which is saying that this blue line is our expected line using our Goya, and the red line is the actual price in the market in USDT. And you can see this big drop here. Can you see it? It's not happening simultaneously, but this means that it has a possibility to go down to place like somewhere here, like 42. I think it's $42,600, I think. So yeah, this score chart is showing a possibility to go down. So let's check out our premium chart in order to decide more about it. So we have an L2 signal right here. We had an S2, but we just covered it up with the L2 sign, and we had an L signal here, and the price started to rise like dramatically. You can see it's 30:00 a.m. It started to just rise and rise over this Goya line. However, it's like started to like moving in sideways. So when this Goya line goes up somewhere here, and if this chart goes down again and meets up somewhere like here, I think here, these places are, I think, place the candlestick and the Goya line will meet. And if the candlestick rebounds supported by this Goya line, I think there is a possibility to go up almost to here somewhere. Let's see the bigger chart. Yeah, it's quite a difficult place to estimate, but probably here, not sure about it. And let's see our buy and sell price guidelines. If we have a rebound in this place, highest point, this might be the good place to sell for. It's $43,798,000. But if it cannot get the support and just breakthroughs down the Goya line, and if the price starts to decrease at this point, 41768 or 41600, it might be a place for you to buy and wait for the increase of the Bitcoin. And let's look at Ethereum. Same, because it's a gather of all coins, so we're not going to see about that. And let's see the score chart here. The price went, the blue thing I said already, it's the expectation line, and the red thing is a real line. And the blue chart was going down for here a little bit, and the real price started to go down in same way, so it might drop all the way up to here like 2295 or 98 place. So you guys need to keep watch out for it. And this is a premium chart. Same, look at this place, just same as a Bitcoin. It just rose up all the way through the Goya line and started to rise, and started to fall again. So just same as a Bitcoin. If it bounced back here, this might be the point you should just sell it for the long positions right here. But if it just breaks through here, it might fall. Not sure about it. It might fall all the way up to here. So it's 2232 and then 2327. So keep carefully watch about these plays, and if it bounce back or break through, this is a important point. And we still have an L3 and L signals alive, so I think it's highly possible to go up. So yeah, but not sure about it always. Keep watch out. This is Ripple just moving within. If you see the score chart, and this chart went always up, and you can see like it's moving around the Goya line, and these kind of things you need to watch out more, whether it's going down or up. And if it goes up, just buying near the Goya line will be the best choice. And we have an L signal, L3 signal still alive, but the graph slope, you can see the slope is going down, so not pretty sure. I think it might go down impersonally, but if it just gets power and go up, this 0.5399 would be a good place to buy, I mean sell in a long position to get some profit. And this place, if it falls 0.5187, this might be a good place. And Ripple has a lot of possibility because we use Ripple a lot while like exchanging in digital currency. So if it's the Ripple's price goes under like 0.5, I personally recommend you to buy it, whether it's, don't care about it's expensive or not. If it's under 0.5, I told you under, I think it's just buying it would be good, impersonally. And let's look at Dogecoin. It just dropped and drop all the way up to like 0.079, 0.08, somewhere near here. So there is a possibility for going down like that, so better watch out. You can see here right now, can you see we have an L signal here, L signal here, an L3. We got a rise, it's going, and we got an S signal right here. Dogecoin is moving a bit more faster than the other coin, and it just went down for here a little bit. So this is highly possible to go down. So you can see this point is very low compared to other coins, and a lot of buying line under here. I think the Dogecoin has a high possibility to go down, so always watch out. And today's briefing will be over, and please don't use a high leverage when you trade, and have a safe trade by using Goya chart. Thank you.